Withdrawing money from your Revolut account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section displays your available balances and currencies. Step 3. Select Withdraw. In the Accounts tab, find the currency you wish to withdraw. Tap on it, and then select the Withdraw option to initiate the transfer process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. You will be prompted to select the bank account to which you want to withdraw funds. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the instructions to add one. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and review the transaction details. Once everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal to complete the process. After following these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section in app or contact customer support for assistance.